Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is the unboxing I'm going to be doing for this radio. I've already opened it. Like, I've opened it before. Like, I've had it for like a year now. But like, I haven't opened it. The day I bought it, but I didn't do nothing with it. Like, I unpackaged it. I've never used it. So today we're buying outlet and we're gonna use it today. So let's get to the video. So let's go. So this is a blue one. I believe I got it at Walmart. Yeah, I got it at Walmart for like $20 something. So we're opening it. So the first thing that's in here are cords. They're like two different cords. For what? Well, we'll figure that out. Something else is in here. Oh, it's Sharon. CD. I'm gonna open a PO box pretty soon, and if y'all want to send me CDs, send me some CDs of like your favorite artists, because I want to hear them. I want like, and I'll have like a whole collection. Like, here's the actual radio. So it's like a nice blue color. Really look. Must be water. I think it was water or something. I don't know. But SMAR. But I kind of like it because like it has like a hanger. Whatever. And I guess I'm not really sure how it works, but so you can put batteries in it and just take it wherever, I guess. But we're just going to use the outlet today because it did say it needed an outlet. So now we just have to figure out like what it is. So let's try this one. Oh my god, it works. I don't know what settings on. I guess like the CD. So let's put a CD in it. Oh, okay. Surprisingly, it's not really that dusty, so. But what song do I want to listen to? Think out loud. 11. I can hear it, y'all. Legs don't work like they used to before.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. Baby, my heart could still go on. Heart is 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious
try a different song. Let's try. I want to do songs like I know the word, actual words to. 6.
Loving can hurt. Loving
Can hurt sometimes.
But it's the
No
only
thing
that I know. When it gets hard.
Okay, we're going back to 11. I was more happy at 11.
When your legs
Legs don't work like they used to before.
And I can't sweep you off of.
We're finna jam, bro. I'm finna close my door. Because I know my parents, grandma, don't want to hear this. So let's go. Let's go. And close my door. I have like shorts on, guys. Don't mind it. I forgot. I can't close it all the way. So I didn't close it all the way, but we're still finna jam.
Off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard as 23.
I was about to say 27.
I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of your hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you why. So honey, now take me into your
Lebanon. Guys, I know I can't sing. Don't come for me. Okay?
kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are.
Okay, so we're gonna try out the radio.
So if we want to get back to school, back to work, back to worship,
I want a station. Why can I find no stations? No.
I want you to touch that. There's a swing in the back of my talking misfire. The sun is going and
Oh, this is
coming
way for
outside. Yeah, run on that thing. The cars.
safety measures, provide COVID-19 tests for associates, and reward frontline associates with appreciation pay. We're now proposing to increase wages and implement a new healthcare plan that'll provide secure, affordable benefits for our associates and their families. At Kroger, we're proudly helping to keep our community strong and safe.
The expert journalism in Apple News Plus is easier than ever to enjoy. Now you can read and listen to magazines and leading newspapers anytime, anywhere on your iPhone. Curated by top editors, you're the week's news.
We want the music. But as you can see, because of this break, I have been a lot happier because you see I'm a lot happier now. So.
Politics and culture happening in and around Houston every day. Start your free 1-month trial of Apple News Plus today.
93.7.
Close your eyes, it's just me and you and nobody. They suck it sideways. If we in public, got a driveway. Vibes is vibe on the chick. 5,000 bits. Ooh, she bad as it get. Her mouth can get slick. She know she got the key. With a 500 beat. Bring it out west. Slang it out west. Go metallic knife. I can shake it out west. I just put a drum on a no-kill tape.
Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you later. Bye.